I'm here in opposition of S. 323, the Unborn Child Protection Act. Senate Bill S. 323 is a dangerous piece of legislation that threatens the health and safety and fundamental rights of South Carolina's women, girls, and families. This bill is built on punitive measures, not compassion. It promises to unleash a wave of negative consequences that will ripple through our communities for generations. This bill's most jarring and cruel aspect is a complete removal of exceptions for rape and incest. It sends a chilling message to victims and their trauma and bodily autonomy are irrelevant. By forcing a survivor to carry a pregnancy to term from a heinous crime, the state inflicts further trauma and strips them of their fundamental right to control their own bodies and futures. This provision stands in stark opposition to the principles of justice and human dignity. This bill's provisions threatens to criminalize health care itself by redefining terms and removing protections. It puts doctors in an impossible position, forcing them to choose between their medical oath and their new criminal penalties. A chilling effect will be created where doctors may hesitate to provide standard care out of a fear of prosecution for the accidental or unintentional death of an unborn child. This will drive talented medical professionals away from our state and endanger the health of pregnant women and their children. The repeal of the judicial bypass process is a direct assault on the safety of minors. The vital process currently allows viable young persons to seek a judge's permission for an abortion if they cannot safely involve their parents, who may be their perpetrator. Removing this option forces a minor to seek either a dangerous back alley procedure or carry a pregnancy to term against her will, potentially causing her to remain in a perilous environment. This policy, I'm going to take my senatorial privilege here. This policy prioritizes a political agenda over a child's well-being and safety. The bill introduces...
Excuse me. Your time is up.
Okay. Well, I'm going to say something because my name was invoked earlier, and I'm going to go over here, and I want to remind each of you that y'all were elected to do what is right, not what will get you reelected. And since these gentlemen reminded me that I was not reelected, I want to remind y'all that I did the right thing on a legislation just like this, and I see security coming to get me, but I'm going to sit down. But thank y'all for allowing me to speak.